Hi and welcome. Today we're gonna unbox together the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. It comes in this lovely case like any other watch they sell. That's the sport band, and this is where we have the watch. I'm surprised that this one doesn't come with a case, but it looks very similar to the Watch 6 Classic. On the back it's exactly the same. Actually it's slightly, no, it's the same. Made of some sort of aluminium. We'll have a look at it in just a second, and we'll compare it with the 6 Classic. This is the 40mm, like I said earlier. So yeah, let's quickly open up this, install it. Okay, so it's made of rubber. It's 20mm, so you can use it with any 20mm straps. Very flexible. So let's install this. So now they have this system where you press. I prefer this system more than their old system. It's very simple to install. You press in and you see those little clips go in, and then you just have to just grab it like that. Then you just have to install it, put it in position, just wait for that click, and that's it, it's installed. Let's have a quick look what else they gave us. So there's something else in here which I think I should have opened it on this side. So that would be their charger, which I'm hoping is the same as the S20, and it is. Sorry, wow, too many S's. So what I meant to say is to be the same as the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and by the looks of it, it is pretty much the same charger. This is just like information which you can read in your own time. So we'll put some of these things away, there's too many. So let's look around the watch a bit. So this is more for smaller wrists, or if you really like a smaller watch, and also will be for women. So my wrist is quite big, still can do that, but then it's not really looking very good on my hand. Let's just turn it on, see if it's charged. And it vibrates, and it just says Samsung. While that's charging, while that's booting up, I want to show you the Classic 4 and the Watch 6 Classic, just so you will have an idea of how big they are. I've replaced this case. It actually comes with a leather case like this, red leather slash rubber, but I don't want to use it yet, so I've been using this just so you'll make an idea in terms of how different they are. And this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So that's the smallest, is 40mm, 47 millimeters, and this one is 46 if I'm not wrong. I think it is still a brilliant watch. The only difference is like the bezel seems a bit bigger now when you look at this one, and even the kind of like the screen, this is a bit bluish. These are slightly different. So let me go quickly through the configuration, see if I can configure it, just so you can have a look, and then I'll show you compared to these other ones. We'll see if this one has any charge. I haven't used it for a while. Hopefully it does, but I think it doesn't. Nothing. So I'll charge this as well. Hi guys, here, so I'm back. It's very simple. You just go through the instructions, you install the Galaxy Wear app, and that will tell you everything you need to know. So then this is how it looks like. If you swipe down, you have the quick access to the settings. And from what I've seen, it has the same instructions, the same options as you. This is where you get the notifications. You have the same as you would have with his bigger brother, Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So screen is really good. You can't really see the pixels. And you see it's using Google OS, Wear OS as well. You can install apps, uninstall them, and so on. If you scroll out of this, and then you go through, you have access to your steps, and information about activities. Walking, running, and more sports to choose from. More information in here. Stress measure, breathe, and all kind of stress related information. Sleep, body composition, weather, calendar, blood pressure, ECG. It also measures your temperature, body temperature. It measures your snoring during sleep, and all sorts of things. So yeah, there you have it. Let me just quickly show you a bit with how the screen looks like compared to the the Samsung Galaxy 6 Classic. As you can see, it's not a big difference. They both pretty similar in terms of brightness and everything. I do prefer the way it's flat on this. With this one, you have the edge of the rotating bezel, which I do like this rotating bezel. With this one, as you don't have a rotating bezel, what they've done, you can actually go around the top of the screen and it still rotates, and it gives you some feedback, a vibration feedback, which I kind of like it as well. It's exactly the same as you would do with this. Yeah, it's really nice. So let's go back, and then you have the other one, which seems like is charged. So with this one, you probably get exactly the same. As you can see, this one still has Wear OS, and that's the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and the screen is still brighter than that one. It was also a premium watch at some point, and as you can see, the same, pretty much the same. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the Galaxy Watch 6 40mm watch. I've showed you how it compares to the Watch 6 and the Watch 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, please leave us a like, comment and subscribe.